Howdy, buckaroos. It's Mr. A, the artsy hombre, chilling out here in my rose garden with my pal St. Francis here. Well, today I was going to learn you guys how to make you a rose out of a paper napkin. So buckle up.
Alright, first thing before we get started, gotta tell you little buckaroos, don't worry if you don't get it right on the first try. I certainly didn't. Look, I had to make a couple of these little bookers, and I'm still don't have it perfect. Keep trying and you get it right, I promise. Now, if you're wearing Dude Ranch gloves like I am, that's no good. That's really hard to work with paper with these things on, so I'm gonna take these off. Oh, good heavens, there we go. I want to get you a paper napkin, just like this right here. Alright, now we're going to want to open this up now. I'm going to have to apologize in advance because, this is bigger than the whole, camera space there. I'm sorry about that, but anyways, so you get this set up, you open it up, it's going to look kind of like a window, right, with them fold lines going down the middle, and that's important because you're going to be depending on them fractions that you learned in mathematics to figure this out. So look at your middle fold line here. Now that obviously is your halfway, right? That's your one halfway mark there. We're gonna take that, and on this side, we're gonna fold this over 1/4 of the way. The whole darn tootin' thing right over there. Just fold that over there like that, halfway to the halfway mark. That's gonna be 1/4, right? 1/4. Kind of smooth that there thing out, and there you go. Now the next thing you got to do is we're gonna do a little loosey-goosey, roly-schmoly thing. Here's what I mean. You wanna roll this up, but you don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose either, right? Should be about big around as maybe a leftover tube from some paper towel or for some toilet paper or something. And it don't have to be perfectly round, just kind of get that little loosey-goosey tube started and just kind of roll it up there. Well, this just looks terrible, but that's all right. I'm gonna keep on trying to kind of roll it up. Got you a little tube there. Now, gonna take this, and again, remember them there fractions, right? Got you halfway about right here. There's your 1/4 way, your 1/4 way. And that's about where you want to grab it and just kind of crush it, right? Just like you're about to drop a mic, okay? So once you got that part, well, this is gonna be your rosebud right there. We're gonna take this here and I'm gonna give it a little twist. Just kind of close off that little section, all right? Just like that. Now we're gonna go down about halfway. We're gonna put a little leaf in here in a second. So just keep on twisting it, good old chubby checker style, all the way down. Keep on twisting. Doesn't really matter which direction. You just wanna make sure you're getting it nice and tight, but not too tight, because you might tear it, right? This paper's pretty darn thin in here. Now, take that corner from this other end, right? We're going to take that and just kind of pull it up a little bit. Just kind of pull it up into that halfway point. And that way you're going to make you a little leaf. Just kind of smoosh it in there. You got your nice little leaf. Take that, and then you keep on twisting, right? Keep on twisting just like you did last summer. Just keep on twisting all the way down. Now right now you got your basic parts of what you got for your rosebud. Now this really does not look anything like a rose. And that's alright, we're going to do a few adjustments. So we're going to look here at the leaf. Let's kind of open this on up a little bit. We can kind of very gently pull that up, make it all more leafy-like. And that's pretty good. Alright, now let's look at this rosebud, right? Yeah, it doesn't look much like a rosebud, so you're going to take your little fingers, you're going to take that and start to twist it around a little bit on the inside. And you can help out with this other hand here. Start twisting in the opposite direction. Kind of curl that around in there in the middle like. There you go. Nice and twirly. Then we're going to take this edge right here and we're going to kind of pull that little corner out there just a little bit.
And there you have it. An easy little paper napkin rose you can make on your own. Hey, Francis, what do you think of this?
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. You're like the greatest artist ever.
Oh, shucks, you're gonna make me blush now. Well, that's all the time we got for today, little buckaroos. Always remember, be a little creative and kind every day. Keep your hands safe and sanitized, and we'll see you soon. Adios, amigos.